Oh, yes, sir. How's everybody's day going, man? As you guys can see, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu. And I know, y'all are accustomed to seeing me diving in thrift stores, finding divine thrift finds. But what do I do with all the gear that I actually pick up? Well, today is going to be the first video in a series on how to style vintage clothes. Now, today, what we're going to be focusing on are how to style vintage trucker hats. Yes, mesh on the back, big high crown, flat brim with something cool on the crown. And that is the mission today, boys and girls. So strap in, strap on, and let's get to how to style vintage snapbacks. All right, so first and foremost, man, one piece in every single outfit is going to be available on my website, which is thriftheavenvintage.com. So the first outfit, which I'm actually putting on right now in front of you guys, the featured item is going to be this shirt, which says, "He likes me just the way I am." This has been on site for a minute. It's up for a steal, as are a lot of the items that I pick up and flip. But it's important when you're in the thrift to know how to put things together. So I'm gonna show you guys how I style these items. Now, whether you guys like it or not is up to you. But first and foremost, we have this outfit right here featuring the South Padre Island green snapback. Right on head, baby. This is as green as it can get, AstroTurf green. And then I complemented it with the salmon polo Ralph Lauren flannel button up, and this dude has a little strip of green in it, okay? So the strip of green matches the green of the hat, which I definitely like. It has a little bit of yellow, which is on the hat as well. And that's what's cool about plaid, is it can match a whole lot of different things, and it has so many different colors that you really can mix and match with just about any piece, whether it be a shoe, a shirt, or in this case, a vintage hat, okay? And now on leg. This is gonna be a different way of displaying this because obviously I have the first outfit on body, but we have some Levi's 501 jeans, the classic cut with the button fly. Not easy access, you gotta make him or her work for the thrift sausage, okay? And then to cap things off, or I guess to bottom things out, on feet we have the beautimous Puma Ralph Sampsons, okay? These are crispy. They're all white, simple, sexy, and we're gonna keep all the shoes very simple in today's fit. You guys know Puma stays lacing me with shoes, so we're just gonna have Puma suedes, and we're gonna have Ralph Sampsons as the featured shoe items in these outfits. So here's outfit number one, once again, and now let's get on to outfit number two. All right, my guys, so outfit number two is going to be featuring this beautimous Puma air conditioning trucker hat right here. Now, I don't know what Puma AC was, but this dude is a little bit speckled, so I think they might have their cats wrong. This is more of like a leopard, all right? So it's red, white, and blue, vintage hat, air compressors. Now, vintage trucker hats really came out in the 1980s to promote like feed stores and other more rural brands, and then they just kind of got taken over as time has gone on. But we're not gonna be too matchy-matchy with this hat right here. We're gonna combine it with this James Dean vintage single stitch tee that I found in my last trip to the thrift video. And this dude is very, very grayalicious, okay? This is a rare shirt, it's a banger, it's on site. It's like $150 is what I have it listed on site as. And yeah, dude, I've never found a James Dean tee in the thrift. This is the first one, and I figured it would look really good with this Puma hat. Now, to tie in the items and to make them actually match, on leg, we're gonna have some red denim jeans. Okay, my guys, and these aren't any fancy name brand. These are found in the thrift. They're actually by Gap. So pretty much all the pieces in today's video are just gonna be accumulated from the most random box stores slash brands, okay? Because we're not too hyped on the brand, we're hyped on the way it looks on body, and I think this fit looks super good. Obviously, I had to go ahead and cuff the bottom of these red jeans to reveal the little bit of white sock, show off a little ankle bone, you heard me? And of course, I got the Puma Ralph Sampsons on feet, my guys. So yeah, killer combo with outfit number two. Let's get on to number three.
All three of y'all.
All right, so outfit number three features one of my favorite vintage snapback purchases. It is this amazing shithead vintage trucker hat. Yes, I picked this up on eBay, and yes, the poop is accessorized with a little bit of urine as well. So there's nothing like having fecal matter on your head voluntarily, and that's what we're all about, baby. Consent, okay? So this has amazing striping and piping on the brim. It has the 3 stripes on the side, white snaps on the back, brown under brim. This is just such a cool hat. I joke and say that if I could have a vintage trucker hat as a self-portrait, it definitely would be this dude right here, all right? But I'm getting it together, man, slowly and surely. So this fit is definitely going to encapsulate the 80s/vintage vibe. And so the featured item that's on site for this outfit is this amazing Monster Buck. What? 7 vintage t-shirt right here. Team Real Tree, baby. And this has 4 bucks on it. Where are the ladies at, man? This is like a Deer Sausage Fest. What's going on? Rest in peace, Bambi's father. We always pay homage and tribute. What a shame, what a shame. So this t-shirt obviously has a little bit of gold and yellow to match the hat. And then to match the hat, we're gonna drape and drip this Levi's corduroy jacket atop of it, all right? So this combo right here is definitely gonna match perfectionally. Perfect. And then on leg, we're gonna finish the job with these Levi's 508s. These are new school, they're not vintage. Again, found in the thrift, kind of a nice charcoal-ish wash on them. Not all the way saturated with the black, just a little hit of it, okay? And then on feet for this fit, we're gonna rock the Puma suedes, all right? And these are gonna be in the nice mustard color scheme to match this very dehydrated urine color scheme featured on the shithead hat. All right, and so there is outfit number 3. Wow, what a fit. All right, outfit number 4 time. Now this one again is probably the most realistic fit that I just rock on a day-to-day basis because I live in Texas and we only can layer pretty much 3 months out of the year. Oh Lord, it's so hot down here, baby. And so this fit is going to feature this amazing fishes get you hella bitches little vintage corduroy Miller Lite snapback, all right? Genuine draft, baby. Hey, genuine as it gets, cowboy. Speaking of cowboy, man, take you on a ride on my big green tractor. We got the John Deere shirt to go with it. Serial number 7310448. This is single stitch on the Fruit of the Loom, made in USA tag, America, baby. Now, obviously, this has green on it. This has green on it. It matches easily. And then what also is easy is what we're putting on thighs. Show off a little bit of kneecap, man. Tantalize the opposite sex with some of that knee bone. Expose it with the Volcom. These are like surf style shorts, okay? These are like chino shorts. I don't really know how to describe them, but skaters wear them. Really, a lot of middle-aged dads wear these shorts, but they're so versatile and cozy. That's why I always rock these dudes. I got them for like 17 bucks at Riggedy Rouse, all right? So altogether, this fit is cool, comfy, easy, but if you want to turn it up just a little bit, of course, you can throw on a denim jacket. Of course, a lot of people want the Levi's, they want the exclusives, but we have the Wrangler Hero. Do not sleep on Wrangler. Real comfortable jeans.
I'm comfortable in Wrangler.
All right, God damn it, man. Shout out Brett Favre. But yeah, you can turn up the item by, or the fit by layering items on top. And that's what it's about, my guys. You really can mix and match, throw on a jacket, throw on a flannel, and turn up any outfit. So that's outfit number 4. All right, now last and certainly not least, we have outfit number 5. Cinco, baby. And this one is getting crazy. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm not gonna show off the shirt first. What am I doing? I'm gonna show off the hat. And this one also, again, has a little bit of fecal matter featured on it. It is this Damn Seagulls Daytona Beach vintage trucker hat, complete with the bird shit. All right, super desirable, very authentic. No, that's not paint, that is straight booty juice. Okay, now this has a nice sky blue mesh back to it, an orange sun, which actually kind of matches. Like, I feel like I could throw this on. Wait, hold on, man. Yeah, this could go with this fit as well, dude. Like, and that's when you know if it's good, is we can just throw about anything on and it matches. Any Hoozleberries, man, got the little green on it with the palm branches. This is super nice and very clean on the inside. Now, we're gonna have a weird kind of summer fit with this one. This is gonna be the most experimental, so I saved the best or potentially worst fit for last. What I'm matching it with is another featured item that is on the website. Bruh, the Panama all hand stitched, like quilted dress shirt short sleeve thing. This thing is absolutely fire, number 1, and it's complete with shoulder pads. Now, I'm not trying to show off too much chest hair, so underneath the plain Hanes Walmart white tee, tagless, shout out Michael Jordan one time, all right? And then on the bottom of the fit, we're gonna throw on some thrifted Polo Ralph Lauren to complete kind of the sea tropical vibe, bright green Sperm whale encrusted. Boy is breaching. Sperm whale encrusted short shorts, okay? And you can throw on sandals with this fit, but I'm just leaving my white socks on because ain't nobody trying to see these dirty ass gangly toes, all right? But yeah, white shoes, white socks, simple, cruise the beach in style, little chain poking out. Very, very easy, very crazy, but that's outfit number 5. So yes, that is how I would style vintage trucker hats. So yes, if you guys enjoyed, smash the like button. Drop a comment telling me what you guys would like to see next. I'm gonna see, maybe we'll do like vintage polo shirts or fitteds. We can do anything, types of sneakers. This is a very versatile new series, you heard me? And yeah, some other items which I didn't say were on site, obviously the John Deere, and then we have the Wrangler Hero that is available on thriftheavenvintage.com. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the items, there is a link to my website in the video description. Follow the Instagram to know when drops occur. And until next time, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.